Get ready to shine academically right in the heart of Washington, D.C. at National Landing Student Accommodation. Nestled just across the Potomac River, National Landing offers a selection of furnished studios and co-living suites, featuring a cozy double bed, a convenient bedside cabinet, a study station, and more. But that's not all. Unlock a world of amenities, including a chic media lounge, a chef-grade kitchen with a dining area, a tranquil library, and a delightful outdoor deck. In addition, the property also boasts a wellness studio, bike storage, and on-site parking, all complemented by free Wi-Fi and inclusive bills. Situated in Arlington, National Landing stands as the area's most vibrant live, work, play community, boasting a walkable downtown. A mere 12-minute drive lands you at George Washington University, with American University just a few minutes more. Step outside, and you'll find yourself immersed in a rich tapestry of vibrant neighborhoods, lush green spaces, and an abundance of amenities, including the city's largest climbing gym and over 100 restaurants. Whether you're headed to the capital or venturing into the wider world, National Landing Student Accommodation is just minutes away from Crystal City Station. So go think twice, seal the deal by visiting amberstudent.com now. Your academic adventure in the heart of DC awaits.